Mastering the Digital Ecosystem, Unveiling the Impact of Backlinks on SEO and User Experience Excellence. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Top New York Web Design. Today, we're diving deep into the world of digital marketing, specifically, the powerful influence of backlinks on both SEO and user experience. If you're looking to dominate the digital landscape, this video is a must-watch. So, let's get started. Understanding the evolution of backlinking. To begin our journey, let's explore the evolution of backlinking. Back in the day, it was all about quantity, but today, it's about quality. Search engines like Google have become smarter, and they value high-quality, relevant backlinks more than ever before. Strategies for SEO domination. Now, let's move on to strategies for SEO domination through backlinks. 1. Content excellence and link-worthy material ***. Quality content is king. Identify gaps in your niche, create valuable content, and watch as high-quality backlinks start rolling in. 2. Guest posting with a purpose ***. A guest posting isn't about quantity, it's about relevance and authority. Partner with reputable websites and provide content that truly adds value. 3. Utilize the power of influencers ***. Influencers can be your ticket to quality backlinks. Collaborate with influencers whose values align with your brand for maximum impact. 4. Broken link building ***. Get creative with broken link building. Help website owners fix broken links and offer your relevant, high-quality content as a replacement. 5. Collaborate with industry partners ***. Strategic alliances can lead to mutual backlinking, boosting your online presence. Enhancing user experience with backlinks. But backlinks aren't just about SEO, they impact user experience too. 1. Relevant anchor text ***. Use anchor text that accurately describes the linked content, ensuring a positive user experience. 2. Internal linking for navigation ***. Internal links help users explore your site seamlessly. Make sure your internal linking strategy is user-friendly. 3. Mobile optimization ***. Optimize your site for mobile devices to provide a consistent user experience. 4. Content variety ***. Diversify your content types to keep users engaged and encourage them to explore more. 5. Page loading speed ***. Ensure linked content loads quickly to prevent user frustration. Conclusion and call. And there you have it, folks. Backlinks are the backbone of digital success, impacting both your SEO rankings and the user experience. Remember, it's not just about quantity, it's about quality and relevance. And there you have it, folks. Backlinks are the backbone of digital success, impacting both your SEO rankings and the user experience. Remember, it's not just about quantity, it's about quality and relevance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Top New York Web Design for more insightful content on digital marketing and SEO strategies. Thank you for joining us today, and I'll see you in the next video as we continue to unravel the secrets of mastering the digital system. Until then, keep optimizing and keep dominating.